Reddy's Biologics facility receives 7 FDA observations. US FDA issues Form 483 following inspection at Hyderabad plant. The company is to address observations within stipulated timeline. Johnson & Johnson shares new IMAAVY data from Phase 3 Vivacity MG3 study at EAN 2026. Analyses highlight IMAAVY's impact in generalized myasthenia gravis patients, including early disease stages, lower symptom burden, and post-infection periods. Lupin receives tentative US FDA approval for Enzalutamide Tablets. Approval covers multiple strengths of Enzalutamide Tablets, offering alternative dosing options for healthcare providers and patients. VUI 2000, complete solution for industrial image processing. Beckhoff's Vision Unit Illuminated, VUI, is a compact unit comprising a camera, illumination, and focusable optics, complete with liquid lens technology. The series has now been expanded to include 16 devices, with new image sensors, as well as cross-polarizing filters. Atulya opens exclusive geriatric hospital for seniors. India's largest assisted living provider inaugurates 60-bed facility in Chennai to deliver specialized geriatric healthcare, rehabilitation, and integrated elder care services.